Hey there, let's install the Scarab Offroad dual color cargo kit. Unpack your kit and remove paneling to run wires for the lights, which we'll go over now. Remove the dome light cover. Remove the dome light housing by unscrewing the Phillips head screws. Unplug the connection on the back of the housing and remove. Pop out top panel to access and remove the screws for the quarter panels. Remove or disconnect any additional paneling securing the quarter panel. Remove the screws holding the bottom panel, then pry up lightly to remove. Loosen the quarter panels enough to access and run cables behind. We will now go to the hatch. Remove the bolt holding the handle to the panel. Hold down on the back side of the panel to remove the clips, then push forwards towards the vehicle to unseat from the window. Disconnect any wiring connections and unbolt metal paneling to access inside the hatch. Pop out the factory harness as shown. The hatch light will be run through here. Disassemble the retainer clip. Feed the hatch light wire through the factory harness towards the hatch. Feed the same wire through the hatch to the opening where the metal panel was. We used a coat hanger for this. Make sure that on the hatch end the wire is fed underneath the window track as shown. Weave the wire underneath the rubber retainer clip. This will protect the wire from the metal cover. Zip tie the wire to it as shown to secure. Reinstall the metal cover and plug the wiring harness connections back in. Reinstall the hatch panel. This must happen window end first, seating into the window as shown. Thoroughly clean the hatch panel with rubbing alcohol or acetone and peel the backing off the light to place it. Pop the factory harness grommets back in and replace the retainer clip. Reconnect the dome light housing to power. Depending on the vehicle, you may need to open up each spade connector just very slightly to fit terminals and attach it to the light. We strongly recommend testing terminals to determine positive and negative before attaching. Pull each quarter panel slightly back and run each wire for window lights through. Thoroughly clean each quarter panel where lights will be installed with rubbing alcohol or acetone and attach each window light. Run the switch wire to your desired location. Being mindful of what's behind the panel, drill a hole with a 3/4 inch bit. We recommend a step bit for this. Thread the switch wire from the back side of the panel through the hole and attach it to the switch. The black wire should be on the middle connection. Push the switch into the hole, reinstall all of the paneling, and enjoy your new cargo lights. Thanks for watching.